Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 4 minus 3 sin 2x. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have negative number 6 cosine 2x. This one that is about the constant, so you got about 0. This one we have 2 cosine 2x. Number 2 with negative number 3, we have negative number 6. Because we don't have negative number 6, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 6. This one we change by u. Cosine 2x dx we change by this one. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. And now we have the final answer in here. And that's about u to the power of 5 over 5. And I will put about c. Number 6 and number 5, that's about 30. About u, that is about this one. And here is the final answer for question number 1. Question number 2, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have negative number a sin 4x dx. First derivative of cosine 4x, we have negative number 4 sin 4x. Negative number 4 with number 2, we have negative number 8. This is about the constant, so you got about 0. Because we don't have negative number 8, so we divide both sides by negative number 8. So this one we change by u. This one we change by the u over negative number 8. So the integration of this one, we have u to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1, and I will put about c. So this one we have 3 over 2. This one we have 3 over 2. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.